What is an array? An array is a dynamically created object that serves as a container to hold the constant number of values of the same data type. By declaring an array, memory space is allotted for the value of a particular type. An array can be defined as a set of homogeneous data element, that is same type of name and the same data type, stored in a continuous memory location. Thus we can say that array is a group of like type variable, means same type variable. If integer variable, all are of integer, should be of integer the values, or if it is double type, all the values should be of double type. So all the double type values or all the integer type of value, any one, it should be same type and should be stored in a single variable with a common name. So all the variables will be written in a one common name instead of writing it again and again in a different variable. So array of any type can be created. So array can be one dimensional or the two dimensional. So instead of taking, like if I take int a equal to 5, int b equal to 10, int c equal to 15, int d equal to 8. So you can see same type of variable, all are integer type of values. We have taken 4 variable. So instead of taking, since these are all of same type, all are of integer type. So instead of taking 4 times, we can take it in one variable. We can write int a and we can give the array symbol, that is square bracket, equal to, then a brush sign, 5, 10, 15, 8. So you can see instead of taking 4 variable, we have taken a single variable and in it all the values are stored, but all the values are of same type. Once more, if I take double type, double e equal to 5.0 d, double f equal to 15.2 d, double g equal to 20.5 d. So here all are of double type. So here instead of writing, taking 4 variables, we can keep it in a single variable, like double b, then a square bracket, and inside it we'll write 5.0, 15.2, 20.5. So you can see all the double type variables, all the double type values are kept in a single variable instead of taking 3 variables. What are the features of array? So it is always index. Index begins from 0. It is a collection of similar data type. It occupies a continuous memory location. It allows to access the element randomly. So it always index, means it is given a position and that position starts from 0. So the first element which we write, so the first value which we write is at the 0 index. Then collection of similar data type, it means the same data type. We have seen if it is integer, all the values should be integer. If it is a double type, so all the values should be double. And it is a continuous memory location and the values are kept one after another in the memory location. And also it allow to access the element randomly. So one after another, when we evaluate or when we execute it one after another, the element will be executed. So in this picture you can see there are index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The index are indicated on the top and the rooms are there. Those are the place for the element. So the values which we keep inside it are known as the element. So that black color dot, it shows that it is a element, and the length of the array, it is 10 because we count it from 1 to 10. So you can take it as an index location, like it is 0 index, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9 index are there. That means 10 elements are present, 0 to 9. So here each one is having a box. So you can take it as a memory location, and in it we have kept the values. So you can see there are 99, then 55. So in first index, then in second index 14 is there, third index 49 is there, then fourth index 101, fifth index 23, sixth index 12. So these are the value which we have stored in the particular index. So you can see, so in this way these are the index. So index starts from 0 and the values which we stored in each of the index is known as the element of the index. But when we calculate the length, we'll count from 1. That is, length of this array is 10. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So length of the array, when we count the length of the array, we count from 1. But when we say the index, the position, index position, so index position starts from 0 index. So, and the value in each of the index which we keep are known as the elements. The index are also known as subscript. What is index? The index is the position of an item inside an array at a list or other data structure that has ordering. Ordering means that there is a concept of item coming one after the another. What are element? An array element is one of the values within an array and is assessed by its position within the array.